Ever wondered what VeChain is and how to get started with it? Well, let me enlighten you. VeChain is a revolutionary blockchain platform, meticulously designed to enhance supply chain management and business processes. Its prime objective: to streamline these processes and information flow for complex supply chains via the power of distributed ledger technology. Imagine transparency, efficiency, and trust, all rolled into one platform. That's VeChain for you. Now that you know what VeChain is, let's explore how to get started with it. The first step to getting started with VeChain is buying VT, the native token of VeChain. Now, let's talk about how to do just that. Firstly, you need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange that supports VT. There are plenty of reputable exchanges out there, so make sure to do your research and pick the one that suits you best. Once you've made your choice, the next step is to create an account on that exchange. This usually involves providing some personal information and setting up security measures like two-factor authentication. After your account is set up, you're ready to deposit funds. Depending on the exchange, you might be able to deposit fiat currency directly, or you may need to buy another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum first, and then exchange it for VT. Finally, with funds in your account, you can purchase VT. Just navigate to the appropriate page on the exchange, enter the amount you want to buy, and confirm the transaction. Once you have purchased VT, the next step is to store it safely. Storing your VET safely is crucial. And how do we ensure this safety? By using a secure wallet. Just like you wouldn't leave your physical wallet lying around for anyone to grab, you shouldn't leave your digital assets unprotected. Now, there are several wallets out there that support VeChain. One of them is the official VeChainThor wallet. It's specifically designed for VeChain, providing a seamless and secure way to manage your VT. Another recommended option is the Ledger Nano S, a hardware wallet known for its top-notch security features. It's like a mini bank vault for your VT. Remember, a secure wallet is your first line of defense against potential threats. Now that you know how to buy and store VT, let's discuss how to use it. Now that you have bought and stored your VET, it's time to put it to use. VeChain isn't just a fancy digital coin you can hold. It's a key to unlocking a universe of possibilities within the VeChain ecosystem. One of the primary uses of VT is to facilitate transactions. You can use it to pay for goods and services within the ecosystem, making your digital life smoother and more seamless. But that's not all. VeT also empowers you to run smart contracts on the VeChain blockchain. These contracts automate transactions and other operations, eliminating the need for a middleman and ensuring transparency and trust. And if you're really into participating in the VeChain community, your VT holdings allow you to participate in VeChain's Proof of Authority consensus model. Now you are ready to dive in and explore the world of VeChain.